Hello, my name is Aiden. We're going to talk about the scientific revolution. Number one, what was the four reasons in the change in the medieval idea of science? People began to collaborate more, new experimental methods were being developed, and the ability to build on the legacy of existing scientific philosophy, as well as publishing academic papers. To explain the new methods and changes in perception in scientific inquiry during this time. What was the shift? What did they value now? Why? The shift was towards a new sort of scientific method. It valued investigating nature as well as perceiving on reason alone, because during this time, before this time, there was a lot of religious authority and just accepted the answers you were given based off not your own reason. So people wanted to begin to investigate things as well as rely on their own reason to come to their conclusions. Highlight three distinct new ideas that came out of the scientific revolution. The study of human anatomy sort of comes out of this revolution. The discovery of magnetism as well as electricity, and a lot more new modern disciplines like dentistry, physics, chemistry, and a bunch of other disciplines come out of this revolution. 4. How did the scientific revolution connect itself to and assist the Enlightenment? The scientific revolution sort of laid the foundation for the Enlightenment, which centered itself kind of around reason as its primary objective. And because you can reason with other people, it stated that you can basically uses the scientific method to reason out solutions for problems, where and similarly it kind of discredits sort of this religious dogmatic authority, saying that people are rational and can come to conclusions. What was the What was the Copernican revolution, and what was its influence and impact? Copernicus stated that he put a new model forward for solar theory, rather than the Ptolemaic method, which basically stated that all the planets rotate around the Earth. Copernicus stated the heliocentric model of our solar system is that the sun is sort of the center and everything sort of goes around the sun. That's sort of what he said. It impacted sort of people wanting to try and look at the stars, influencing many other astronomers and having a big impact later, letting kind of Newton take the stage. In the section, Other Advancements in Physics and Mathematics, the reading highlights 6 different individuals and their contributions. Select 2 and explain their roles and influence. Sir Isaac Newton kind of started to discover physics and as well as gravitational theory, realizing that forces, when one force hits itself, it has an equal and opposite reaction to that force, as well as when you drop things, a gravitational force is applied to that object. Then there's Galileo, who began to observe who made observations through telescopes, and started sort of mapping out our solar system, as well as disproving the heliocentric model by observing Venus, as well as observing sunspots on the sun. He was cool. In 350 words or less, summarize the astronomical revolution. What changed? Why? Thanks to. The astronomical revolution was sort of developed by a bunch of different people. coming together and basically figuring things out. You can, of course, have Sir Isaac Newton's discovery of gravity and Galileo's sort of observations of the stars. And it just made a bunch of other people want to look up towards the stars and figure that stuff out. I don't really know what to say. It's sort of hard to think of anything. 8. How did the study of human anatomy change during this period? In 1543, Andreas Velasarius published De Humana Corpus Fabrica, basically breaking down the anatomy and of the human structure, our organs, our bones, how many we had, where they were, basically just discovering modern medicine and revolutionizing an entire industry. Later used Ambrosius Paris, was a surgeon who basically used his methods to invent modern forensics as well as surgery and treating wounds that were pretty much untreatable. Human anatomy changed because the dogmatic authority on religion changed. The perception of religion changed as one authority. Basically, religion didn't take a big chunk of people's lives anymore. Other than that, yeah.